मेरा नाम टेक्निकल अनम है। आज मैं आपके लिए बहुत ही कमाल की वेबसाइट लेकर आई हूं जिससे आप घर बैठे कमाल के अर्न कर सकते हैं। चले बिना टाइम वेस्ट की वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर पहली मर्तबा हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें चले ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली तमाम वेबसाइट सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँच सकें।
Important. We have been scammed by listening manager of Yobit Exchange before. After first 7 days of nice, healthy and bullish chart, we are now still in recovery mode. They asked us to send direct to Yobit Exchange deposit of 30 trill of our tokens before the listing. They dumped all our tokens later and we didn't list it there. Follow our Twitter video with all the evidence you can find here. Thanks to all holders which are still with us. Stay strong and positive. We will recover and bank soon much stronger like a real phoenix. No surrender. One of the most realist and legit project around. Come and join the Phoenix Army. We don't let you down. Note, still starter price, small market, capture 100% fair launch. You can still buy 1% of whole supply for cheap price. About second, 100% डिसेंट्रलाइज कम्युनिटी ड्राइवन टोकन, ये आप खुद पढ़ सकते हैं. होल्ड एंड अर्न फेनिक्स. The tokenomics make it possible for you to earn Phoenix just by holding the coins in your wallet. There is 10% on every transaction made. 5% of all the transaction fees on the network are allocated to the token holders. Power to the holders. Profit from holding. Reward for the holders with a 5% transaction tax, which puts the Phoenix directly into your wallet every time someone buys or sells. The other 5% is sent to dedicated liquidity pool. Strong liquidity, less price volatility. Investment projects. The Phoenix team has many other projects in line for its investors, including 2 NFTs and a decentralized exchange called Phoenix Swap coming in the near future. The dev team all relinquished their wallets before launch and after the project is supported fully by the Phoenix community. Small part of 4% was saved for marketing. We are not in a charity token, but we will do our best to send every month randomly some donations to orphans organizations worldwide. Buy and hold Phoenix and you will automatically get more in your wallet. No need to farm, stake or claim. Each trade also automatically adds liquidity on Pancake Swap, leading to another increasing price floor of Phoenix. This means that even if every single Phoenix hold sells, the price will not go to zero. Original supply, ये आप खुद रीड कर सकते हैं. FXT, total circulating supply after burning, ये भी आप खुद रीड कर सकते हैं. FXT. Immediately after launch, we burned more than 40% of the total supply of the Phoenix and sent it to dead wallet. Because the dead wallet is also a holder, it also gets proportional transaction rewards. But since nobody has access to that wallet, those Phoenix tokens are retired from circulation, effectively burned. The burn happens on every transaction and accelerates as the black hole gets bigger forever. Renounce ownership. What does it mean to renounce smarter contract ownership? By renouncing ownership, the developers cannot take any actions to alter the token supply. No printing new tokens. Proof of ownership renouncil. Click here. Verification contract on BS scan. Proof of verified contract. Locked liquidity. What does locking liquidity actually mean? When adding liquidity, a user is granted LP liquid pool tokens which represent ownership of their initial investment. By locking away from LP tokens, we are essentially locking away our right to remove liquidity. Liquidity is locked by DXCL for 2 years. Proof of liquid LP lock BSC scan. Click here. How to buy? Click here to buy Phoenix on Pancake Swap. Set slippage to 12%. Follow us on Twitter, Telegram, Reddit. Allah Hafiz.